Dad, why is the light blinding my sight when I always see a mirror? Is the sun mad at me?
Don't be silly, son. The sun isn't mad at you. Here, let me explain to you how the sun always ends up in your face, but the light rays it reflects. Let me start from the beginning. There is this thing called electromagnetic spectrum, which shows the range of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation and the respective wavelengths and energies. In ES, there is one type of electromagnetic radiation called the visible light that is in the portion ranging from 400 to 760 nanometer in wavelength size. Each color of the light corresponds to the amount of energy. Now you know what visible light is. Let me tell you the different behavior of light which corresponds to how we see things in the open. The behavior of light includes what happens when light hits certain surfaces, solid, liquid, and even gas. It can be scattered, reflected, refracted, absorbed, or transmitted. The scattering of light occurs when particles through mediums interact with light, causing it to spread in many directions. Shorter wavelength and high frequency scatter more due to the waviness of the line and its intersection with the particle. The wavier the line, the more are the chances of its intersecting with the particle. And the scattering of light is the answer why the sky is blue and the clouds are white. Reflection is when a light bounces off a surface and is inverted. Both angles are always equal to each other but not approximately, according to the law of reflection, which states that when a ray of light reflects off a surface, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The next is refraction.
Wait, reflection is and refraction isn't the same thing? My friend told me they're the same.
You see, kid, as you already know, reflection is when the light bounces off a surface in an equal ray of the ray of incidence. But refraction is when the light bounces but in a different direction, and the bending depends on the index of refraction, which is the ratio of the speed of the light in a material.
Wow, I can't believe that light is the very reason we see things from day to day. And all this time I took it for granted and even told the sun off. Thanks, Dad and Uncle.
Now, let's go home.
Sure. Bye, Uncle.